History. For school children, it is a very boring subject with dates and battles. For social media consumers, it is a very exciting subject with lots of debates and controversies. But for UPSC CSE aspirants, history optional is a very methodical subject. If you do it properly, you can score beyond 300. If you don't do it properly, it would bring you below 250, and that can make or break your entire mains preparation. So let us try to understand what is the difference between the two. How does an average preparation look like? In average preparation, maybe you do self-study or join some foundation course of history optional somewhere. At the end of it, in around 6 to 7 months, what do you gain? You gain a very good understanding of timeline and chronology with some issues. You possibly have read about 7 to 8 books. You have collected about 2000 pages of notes and looked at some PYQs. That is how your average preparation looks like. It may take you to 230, 240, maybe if you are very fortunate, 250. But it will never take you beyond 300. So to go beyond 300, what do you need to do? There are 4 specific things which are required in addition to all this average and basic preparation. First thing, a very conceptual understanding of the issues, debates, and seamless ability to integrate historiography. Second thing, you should be thorough with PYQs of at least last 20 years, because history optional has a very high ratio of repeating PYQs in different avatars. Up to 80% questions are repeated. Thirdly, you need to have adequate answer writing practice wherein you balance properly between the facts and the arguments. And finally, you should have done proper mapping practice. Mapping question is a compulsory question of 50 marks in paper 1. So to solve all these problems, to fill that gap between average and best preparation, both Vishal sir and I have come with a course called Hot 500, History Optional through 500 questions. उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं, there are 3 basic features. Feature number 1, through about 80 recorded lectures, Vishal sir and I cover almost 700 questions discussion in class chapter by chapter. They cover most of the PYQs, they cover many new questions, and you also get the model answers for about 500 questions, and then many other questions which are new and old discussed in the class. We also give you time to write. Apart from that, you have a test series of 8 tests. You have 6 sectional tests and 2 full-length tests, which will give you adequate test writing practice also. And separately, there is a mapping module to solve the mapping issue. So after this, you do not need to do anything else for history optional. This is going to be your one-stop solution. So click on the link given below to level up your history optional preparation. Thank you.